All right, we're just doing a little bathroom renovation, putting in a new shower. This is Schluter curdy board. It's waterproofed and it's a substrate that the tile's gonna go on. This is the soap niche. They come custom made. So it just goes into the wall like this. Marked it out so we can have one tile in there exactly. So we put thin set on like that. Work it from the center both ways. Like a pizza. We're gonna put it on the wall like that. These spacers go in between. Stick the shim in there and it levels it all up so the corners become perfect. Grout is what we fill the tile with, all the joints. Time for a shower. That's nice.
Backsplash here, we're just gonna install it. But first, we're gonna play a little song. Oh yeah!